Fuck off.
You know how to stop him putting it on Facebook, don't you?
Beat him up.
Is this as bad as the time you shagged Elephant and got caught? Mel, I love you! I love you, Mel!
I will deck you. No, get off.
Why are you holding your penis while you're recording this, Adam?
Yeah, that is.
That is wrong.
That's what he said.
We are in Kenny's house. This is very own cribs. This is where me and the family, we like to eat. What's up? Doesn't do anything.
That does, look out there.
Fucking hell.
I'll put all these in, little babies. So ugly and that, like.
Do the tiling.
Look at savagery.
Why are you still following me, Adam? You are like, you've got some shit going on.